Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Week 36 Market Roundup. A anticipated correction is here. Video analysis. http ntvforex.com. News ID F8AA9597 2029 45:35 AM. S&P 500 futures ES hit and surpassed the overbought channel 3550, which was mentioned in week 35 Market Roundup. Next, I talked about possible change of character on September 1, 2020, that could potentially stop the uptrend for now, which was 2 days earlier before the sharp sell-off 3% on September 3, 2020. During the London session on September 3, I mentioned overbought condition plus nearing the supply line that triggered the COVID-19 sell-off and the shakeout action during December 2018, warned to watch out for a meaningful correction. This current correction happened on September 3 during the US session with spike of supply. On Friday, September 4, despite S&P 500 broke below the support level near 3,400, demand was present right after it broke the 3,400 level. Eventually, S&P 500 closed at 3,415. By applying Wyckoff's law A effort vs results on the S&P 500 daily chart, comparing Thursday's candle with Friday's candle. On Friday, higher effort volume to push the price down, yet the result was a demand tail plus failed to commit below the support level at 3,400, smaller spread and smaller progress to the downside, suggested presence of demand on Friday's candle. Since there was presence of demand on Friday, a rally is expected next and we will need to judge the character of the rally, the supply level and subsequent price action to form a bias of the market direction, e.g. accumulation or distribution. As expected, speculative risk on assets like the bitcoins and altcoins also encountered sell-off just like the US indices. Risk off assets like gold and silver did not rally up during the Thursday and Friday's sell-off. Eurist is within an upsloping trading range, could be forming a distribution structure. A break below 1.175 followed by inability to rally up could see further weakness ahead. Eurist chart is almost the inverse image of the dollar index chart, which suggests potential strengthening of the US dollar. Should this happen, we should see a lot of interesting inter-market development in relation to the USD such as gold, silver, oil, cryptocurrency, commodities, etc. Check out last week market analysis video series below if you have a tea or would like to reflect on how last week unfold together with your preparation and analysis. Stock watch list. A Malaysia Master Pack Group Bearhood. A supply is low during the broad market correction due to the sell-off in the US. The next support level is at 1.66. VSVS Industry BHDA as mentioned in week 35. A further rally can be anticipated given the strength of this stock. It surpassed the first target at 2 and tested the second target at 1.13 and closed at 2.05. Support is at 1.9 while the next target is at 2.3. JHM consolidation BHDA. A rally happened on September 1 followed by profit taking and affected by the broad market correction. Better supply absorption suggested an attempt to rally to test the high at 1.9. Revenue Group Bearhood. A slight increase of supply followed a reaction tested the support level at 1.2 after the earning announcement. A range-bound condition between 1.2 and 1.4 is developed. Comfort Gloves Bearhood. A watch out for more distribution near the supply zone 4.6 a 5.1. Adventa BHD. A watch out for more distribution near the supply zone 3a 3.4. Frunton Corporation BHDA. Increasing of supply on last Thursday and Friday yet the support level at 3.62 is still holding. Next support level at 3.4. Group Found Pack Group Bearhood. A. It is still within a trading range between 1a 1.2. More time is required to absorb the supply before it moves up. Stock A, as mentioned in week 35, is MI Technovation Bearhood. The support is at 4. Stock watch list. A US MSFT Microsoft. A similar reaction to the Nasdaq, MSFT dropped with spike of supply back into the range below 217. Immediate resistance at 232. Supports are at 205, 198. FB Facebook A reaction as per the broad market sell-off. Immediate support area A271, A279. IBB Biotechnology ETF A attempt to start a rally after the exhaustion of the supply. Yet, it had a reaction similar to the broad market sell-off. SEC Limited A shortening of the upward thrust as seen in the daily chart, suggested fading of the up momentum. The support level is at 130. Consolidation is expected. JDJD.com A is expected, reaction comes together with the broad market sell-off. Trading range between 75-86. Net Cloudflare A tested the support at 34 with a demand tail together with the broad market sell-off. If the market rally, expect a test of 40. LVGO Livongo Health A trading range between 111-150. PTO and Peloton A hit the overbought of the up channel at 90 followed by a reaction. Expect to spend some time between 70-90. Baba Alibaba Group Holdings A reaction with the market stopped above the support at 267. Expect a rally to test 290. BTG B2GOLD Corp A support at 6. Undergo backup action after a sign of strength rally. FSLY Fastly Inc. A support at 74 was tested on last Friday. A rally is expected to test 90. Stock Y, as mentioned in week 35, is SQ Square Inc. It had a up thrust last week followed by a sharp reaction responding to the broad market sell-off. Rebounded from support level at 130. Expect a rally to test 158. Study their charts and you should find them interesting in terms of price structure and volume signature. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.